Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can track time on Airtable. It is very simple. As you can see, I have a bunch of tasks here and I'd like to know the date or the time on which I created those tasks. So it is very simple. All I have to do is to add a new field and I can name it anything. I'm going to name it time, but you can name it anything you like. Then you have to scroll down and you have to search for this field that says time created time. You have to click it and you select the date format. I'm gonna select friendly because it's easier to read, and then I'm gonna press this button, include time, and then you can select the time format and you can even display the time zone if you like. Then press create field button. uh, okay, it's asking to enter a unique name. I suppose this is now a unique name. Then press create field button, and that's it. As you can see, it has now created a new field that says time created, and this field is going to tell us the time and the date on which we created those tasks. So it says that I created task 1 on 26 July 2023 at 8:46 a.m. I created task 2 and task 3 also on the same day at the same time, and task 4 and 5 I created them on the same day but a different time, 9:40 a.m., and the task 5 9:44 a.m. So this way you can track your time in Airtable, and you can know the time and the date on which you created different things, different records or different fields. So this is how you track your time in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.